Are you asking yourself why you should work in finance? The finance industry is an exciting global industry that is constantly advancing and expanding. There are so many reasons why you would want to join such an exciting and powerful job sector. Not only are the possibilities endless when it comes to career paths, but also the destinations too. Companies are expanding to new exciting areas of the world, and with this expansion comes a high demand for finance professionals. By pursuing a career in finance, you are opening the door to thousands of exciting opportunities, including places that you may not have considered moving to. Welcome back to another episode of Facultive Station. Get involved and join the community by subscribing to the channel so you never miss any of our latest uploads. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look at why should you start a career in the finance world. Let's get into it. Number 1. It's a dynamic industry. The finance sector is one of the most forward-thinking industries in the world. It's an industry that is undergoing constant change and growth. Thanks to the introduction of new markets, new laws and legislation, new technology, and a more globalized finance market, the industry is moving into a newer, more exciting direction. Thanks to these exciting changes, finance jobs require more technical skills, and the hunt for these dynamic and tech-savvy candidates is bigger than ever before. Number 2. It's exciting, challenging, and fast-paced. The finance industry runs at an exhilarating pace, and as a finance candidate, it's important that you enjoy keeping up to the faster pace of work. Lots of people who work in the finance industry enjoy the many challenges that they face on a daily basis. Almost every finance job requires problem-solving skills, and some of your day-to-day tasks may involve fixing complex problems for large or small companies. If you are someone who thrives from this type of activity in a fast-paced environment, a career in finance is the one for you. Number 3. There are always opportunities for growth. If you are looking for a career with clear progression routes, finance is the career for you. The growth opportunities are endless, whether it's within the same company or elsewhere. Once you have some experience under your belt, it becomes easier to map your career out and decide which route you would like to go down. It's safe to say this is one of the greatest things about pursuing a career in finance. No matter where you start, there are always opportunities to grow and excel. Whether you end up working in marketing, investment banking, law, accounting, or any other industry, there will always be clear progression routes. Number 4. One of the most stable career choices. As the global finance industry continues to grow, so do the number and type of jobs that are on offer to finance graduates and professionals. By studying finance and pursuing a career in this exciting industry, you are entering an industry with a high hiring volume and endless job opportunities. The financial job market is growing, and it's a lot more than common for companies to hire in large volumes. Thus, you should never feel threatened by the large volume of finance candidates and graduates who are also looking for finance jobs. Although they may be your competition, finance candidates are in demand. Furthermore, in terms of stability, the wages tend to be above average. And as we mentioned, the progression routes available are particularly appealing. It's definitely an industry that can offer great stability to candidates. Number 5. There are varied career paths and options. With a finance career, you will never feel limited to one particular position or career. Through studying finance or a finance-related degree, you will have the freedom to choose from a variety of career paths, whether it's retail banking, investment, financial services, law, and more. You could even end up in the gaming industry. Imagine the success you could have using your mathematical skills at a casino. Tempted to find out if this is your calling? You can make your career in finance feel more like a hobby than a daily job commitment. Furthermore, the skills that you learn within finance are transferable across a variety of sectors, and they are seen as some of the most desirable skills to employers. Those are skills such as problem-solving, analytical, and communication skills. Whether you end up as an accounts payable, purchasing administrator, insurance broker, account manager, financial service advisor, or research analyst, the possibilities are endless. Number 6. There are opportunities worldwide. Unlike some industries, the need for humans will always remain strong throughout the financial industry. Companies need finance professionals, and these professionals need to be able to communicate well with clients and colleagues. Since companies are expanding to other areas of the world, the need for finance professionals with strong communication skills is growing faster than ever before. In terms of communication, multilingual candidates are extremely desirable to employers. Just by possessing language skills, you increase your ability to communicate with clients from other areas of the world. And since finance is a global business, this level of communication is incredibly valuable. Number 7. A career in finance will challenge you. The recent COVID-19 pandemic is a prime example of this. The crisis has shaken up the world in ways that no one could have predicted. As we seek to rebuild the economy, finance professionals will need to tackle issues such as re-engaging customers and seeking out new opportunities for growth globally. A career in finance will help refine your strengths, increase your adaptability, bolster your work ethic, and ensure you're constantly stimulated. You'll grow as a person and a professional, reaping the benefits immediately and throughout your future career path. Number 8. A career in finance will improve your interpersonal skills. At its core, the finance industry relies on customer satisfaction. This new technological phase has changed the customer service model across the board, and financial professionals must rise to meet client expectations now more than ever. Interpersonal skills are essential in the finance field and play a critical role in day-to-day life, whether or not your position is directly customer-facing. Employees who interact with clients at any level should prioritize creating positive experiences, while even those in the background will need to rely on efficient interactions between colleagues to excel. Number 9. A career in finance can take you anywhere. The need for financial professionals is worldwide. Though there are plenty of roles within whatever country you reside in, there are also a plethora of overseas positions for those seeking an even broader experience. Whether you're in the mood for a new adventure, want to amplify your CV, or your career needs a change of pace, working overseas could be the ideal option for you, and your career in finance can easily take you there. Number 10. Long-term growth. There is always room for personal and professional growth in the financial sector. A career in finance is unlikely to become obsolete in the near future, because it is the sector that drives world economies. A hard-working person will definitely be noticed in any organization setup, as long as your impact is felt. Make sure you're building clients' contacts along the way, because you will need them at one given time. An ambitious individual will thrive in the industry because there is no ceiling on what you can achieve. With that, we've reached the end of today's episode all about why you should start a career in the finance world. Do you guys know of any other reasons why it's a great choice to start a career in the finance industry? Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a thumbs up. Plus, if you'd like a head start on your own journey into a career in finance, check out our very own course. You can find the link in the video description. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.